Let us make shawarma from scratch at the comfort of our home. Have you been wondering, how do I make shawarma? I spend so much on shawarma. I mean, I got you covered. So I'll be showing you every step of the way as I proceed, from wrapping to how to pan heat it and all those good stuff. Your favorite shawarma spot will be missing one client, because after watching this video, you will definitely know how to make shawarma at home. Of course, you'll spend less. So I used about 10,000 naira to make 4 to 5 shawarma, like you can see. I mean, is that not cost effective? And you will have everything you've ever desired in a shawarma. You want it more creamy? I got you. You want it spicy? I got you. You guys, watch this video if you want to know how to make shawarma from beginning to the end with 10,000 naira from the comforts of your home. To make shawarma, you'll need 2 to 3 small size carrots, cabbage. This cabbage went for 500 naira. Shawarma bread, otherwise called shawarma wrap. You would always get this at the fridge section of any supermarket in Nigeria. It is being sold between 1,300 to 1,500 naira for 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We would use half of this and remain the remaining for the next time. So we had beef. This beef was 5,000 naira worth of beef in the market. My last 3 videos is a video where I went to buy items for this shawarma. Please check it out. Let's go ahead and prep our ingredients. First, I will be cutting my cabbage into big chunks because I would like it chunky. The core of the cabbage is not needed, so I'll be putting that aside. I will go ahead and cut into fine sizes, just like so. I do not want it tiny and I do not want it long as well. So this is what it looks like. This is my cleaned carrots. I changed my mind and decided to use 3, and this is my cut cabbage into fine sizes. I have washed my meat nicely and diced it just like so. Here are the ingredients I'll be using: pepper, salt, seasoning. I use knorr and ginger. Let's go ahead and marinate our meat. I first put ginger, pepper, and seasoning cubes, and of course salt. I'll mix and marinate this for about an hour. Next, we'll be needing this paprika powder, suya spice, because I want that suya flavor. I'll also go in with my onion, chopped onions, my paprika, as much as I want, because I like my shawarma spicy, and my suya spice. I'll be using this oil to pan fry my meat. Let us go ahead and preheat our pot, clean pot, put in the oil and our already seasoned and marinated beef. We would stir fry this until it is dry. Have you seen how all the seasoning have come together? This is looking so good already. We'll continue to stir fry this until the juice gets back into the meat and gets very dry. Ladies and gentlemen, does this not look like suya already? This looks and tasted so yummy. I'll be using these 3 sausages because that is what I had at home. I had this chicken from the last time I made shawarma, and the other one was from pasta. I had to do collabo. So this is my grated carrots, my meat, suya meat if you have to call it so, my pepper, my cabbage, my shawarma wrap. I did something to the shawarma wrap. I cut it into 2. If you notice, it comes in puffy, so I had to split it into 2 so that I can have a good wrap. That is my sausage that I had left over. Thank God for this Bama Shawarma Cream, because it has made my job so easy. Look at all the ingredients for my shawarma. Snap it. I mean, screen grab this because you would definitely need it. In a clean dry bowl, I'll be going in with my cabbage, my carrots, my chicken, my meat, beef. Look at that. I'll mix that up together nicely. I left my protein to cool off a bit before using. At this point, I'll be going in with my Bama shawarma mix. Thank God for Obama, because they have made the job so easy for me. I don't have to do a lot of those shawarma cream. The cream wasn't enough, so I had to use regular mayonnaise. I added the remaining beef because I needed it more meaty. I'll go in with my paprika, mix it a little bit more. I love what I am seeing. So let's go ahead and wrap. Remember that I said I cut one shawarma wrap into two so that I would be able to wrap it nicely. Watch carefully how I'll be wrapping this. I'll put my mayonnaise at the end of my shawarma wrap so that it would firm up this wrap. In a dry pan, after wrapping, just put the pan on the fire and put in your shawarma. Heat each side nicely and keep turning until your shawarma is ready. You would know it is ready when your instinct tells you so. For the last shawarma, I'll be putting in more pepper for extra heat, extra spice. You guys, I love pepper in my shawarma. Did you notice how I placed my shawarma wrap? The first one towards the edge, and then the one I'll be putting my filling on top of it. So let's carefully wrap this, wrap it so firm so that it doesn't get so soggy and loose. If wrapped well, this is how it is going to be. Transfer this into your preheated pan with the M facing down. The first batch of my shawarma is ready. You guys, I wish you can taste this. It was so yummy, so succulent, so meaty, so spicy, you guys. For aesthetics and wrapping, you can use foil paper, A4 paper, just like I am using. I'll be placing the two A4 papers on top of each other, lapping each other to roll this. Roll it carefully towards the edge, fold it as you may want. You can tie it, you can wrap it, however, feel free. At this point, you just want to enjoy your shawarma. So let's continue this so that you can see it again. This is it. Fold it nicely. Remember that the other is going to be placed on top of the other midway. With all this being done, your yummy shawarma is ready to be devoured. Look, your shawarma vendor knows to pass this one. Please note that for your hygiene, you have to intermittently wash your hands. Ladies and gentlemen, our yummy, delicious, spicy, juicy, and amazing shawarma made just with 10,000 naira is ready. You guys, I'm going to leave the ingredients in the comment section or on the description box of this video. My children couldn't wait to enjoy this shawarma. They were just coming, oh mommy, can we, mommy, can we, mommy, can we. I need to state that in this particular one, which was mine, I did not put sausage. The children really needed sausage, so I had to use the last 3 sausages for them. And this one is, oh god, look at that, so meaty. The shawarma you buy from your favorite vendor, then get meat like this, then they put meat like this. Let me know in the comment section. If you love this recipe, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Shawarma lovers, fall in here. You don't have to break your bank to make shawarma. You guys, you have seen how much I used in making this shawarma. I implore you, recreate this recipe. Tag me. I will be glad to hear from you. Let us hear what my children had to say after eating this shawarma.
Hey, yummy, yummy. The best shawarma ever.
the love of garbage.